Hello friends. First of all, I like to welcome you all to my channel Education की. तो एजुकेशन की में आप लोगों का स्वागत है. And basically I am going to talk about the Educare point and especially the branch which is there in Golpara. Okay, इसके बारे में मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा information देना चाहता हूँ. What happened? The people of this district didn't aware of this coaching center. Okay, so it's a golden opportunity for all the aspirant who is trying to get the job in government sector. So nowadays the competitions become so tougher. इतना easy नहीं है. It is not too easy to get the job in government sector. For that you need a very systematic way of study planning. Okay, you have to do the planning of study. That is also in a very systematical way. Without that, it is not possible for you to crack any type of competitive examinations. So आप लोगों को really I am going to invite you to this Educare point for getting the admissions so that you can crack any type of competitive examinations. Okay. So basically, what type of competitions that we are focusing toward? We are just giving the preparation of all type of competitive examinations like banking, SSC. उसके अलावा कोई भी आप पकड़ लीजिए. That is APSC का हम लोग basic initial हम लोग CSET का coaching देते हैं. And railway, okay, and LIC, everything, TET, इस तरह का हम लोग कोचिंग प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं अभी बेसिकली. And beside this, we are giving a platform for the student and for those parents who really wants to send their children in Sainik school, Navodaya, राष्ट्रीय military schools, okay, and even in RAMC. So इसके बारे में जो जागरूकता है, do you know the people didn't aware of this? What is the value of all such type of things? Everybody is spending the money, okay, सब पैसा खर्च कर रहा है अपने बच्चों के पीछे, but basically what the सही direction पे the people are not running in the right directions. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have to choose the right platform. अगर आपको रास्ता सही मिलेगा, अगर गाइडलाइन आप अपने बच्चों को सही देंगे तो डेफिनेटली you will reach to the destinations. दौड़ तो आप लगा रहे हैं, मेहनत आप कर रहे हैं, but basically you are not reaching to some conclusion. So what is my aim? You know, I'm just bring an awareness with you, जो कि आप मतलब क्या करें कि ये मतलब बेसिकली आपको पता होना चाहिए कि हमें किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है. So Educare वही कर रहा है. Okay, basically Educare points are doing the same thing. I know that all the students are very special. They have the quality, but the molding मतलब डायरेक्शन देना चाहिए. आप लोग, I'm going to give you one example. अगर आप देखिए कोई भी आपका विलेज हो, in your street, in your locality, आपको पता होगा कोई आदमी बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होता है. Do you know? People are very intelligent, but क्या होता है कि उसको गाइडलाइन से ढंग से नहीं मिल पाया. That's why they are lagging behind. वो उस मतलब रिजल्ट को अचीव नहीं कर पाया जो जिसका वो हकदार था, मतलब उसका लायक था वो. So basically I am telling you that what you have to do, you have to take the guideline. Okay, there is no, आपको जो नया ब्रांच गोलपाड़ा में खुला हुआ है, the fees or the admission structure is not too big, okay, that you can't able to afford. आप आइए यहाँ पे, आपको मिलेगा, you will know. We have all the materials of study, okay, so that you can able to complete your syllabus. Syllabus complete होगा, then only you can crack the competitive examinations. Okay, so Educare का जो main motto क्या है? Do you know the main motto of Educare is what? To give you all tricks, okay, to solve the problems. आपको एक कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप करेगा आपके अंदर, so that you can crack the competitions very easily. Rather you don't have to look here and there. I know that self preparation is the best preparations, but without, अगर आपने 2-3 बार सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन करके आपका एग्जाम नहीं निकल रहा है, then what you have to do? You have to choose some alternative. आपको एक स्ट्रेटेजी बनाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं, मुझे कुछ और तरीके से करना है. Okay, and our instructor, you know, our teachers are not coming from this districts, they are coming from outside. इसीलिए हम उसको यहाँ नहीं रख पा रहे हैं. Basically we are not able to keep such type of teachers here कि वो एक इंस्टीट्यूट को नहीं देख रहा है ना. So he means such type of teachers are looking the very reputed institute. Okay, they are residing in बोंगाईगांव, गुवाहाटी, वहाँ से क्लास लेने के लिए आएगा. बोंगाईगांव में जो स्टे कर रहा है, जो यूपी का है, जो कलकत्ता का है, जो बिहार का टीचर्स है, the highly qualified teachers, okay, they are been living in one places. वो हर जगह नहीं जा सकता, एक ही क्लास ले सकता है गोलपाड़ा में. Okay, and beside that I am also one of the persons who just completed my service, okay, from defense. से मैं खुद रिटायर्ड हूँ. I also have the experience. Even I cleared the SSB clerk examinations, okay, but I didn't join it because my aim is not. I already did one service in my life. I don't want to do. I want to give the platform to the youngster to clear the to get the jobs, okay. while seeing the situation of this district, I just bring this platform. So I really welcome you all, so that you can gain something from this. Okay. So at the end, okay, I like to tell you that you really choose the right directions. Okay, ऐसे इधर उधर दौड़ने से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Just go through the right directions. If you don't want to take the coachings from Educare Point branch Golpada, then you have to take the coachings from somewhere else, like in Guwahati, Bongaigaon. That is your choice. But take the coachings. Okay, choose the things and go in the right direction, so that you can fulfill your dreams. So that is the main motto of making this video. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it, so that I can bring little bit more motivational thing, as well as show you some better guideline. You can able to share this with your friends also. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video.